Hello everyone, this is Jörn again with another pre-London session analysis. Today is Friday the 15th of October, and so this automatically means that this will be the last pre-London analysis for this week. Before we start, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the markets and that I like to share with all of you. Okay, let's go straight into it. Maybe let's go first to the daily on the DXY, so on the dollar index. Remember, on Tuesday we traded through this high. On Tuesday, this is a Tuesday candle, we traded through this high. We cleared the liquidity that was above here, and we traded in a spectacular way down during the FOMC release on Wednesday. Yesterday we started the day off very bearish, but we ended the day bullish, and this is something that we were expecting. I was just not expecting for dollar to go that low. I was expecting a little bit lower pricing to clear this liquidity here and then to go up. But we went really deep into this candlestick before we could see some relief. So let's go back to the chart and let's see where we left yesterday. So I'm gonna mark up everything again. So yesterday, as I mentioned, we are very bearish. We are very bearish on dollar. So these are the areas that I was looking for, to sell DXY from. I'm really not interested in selling here. Yesterday I was not interested in selling here because I do believe that we will revisit one of these areas. So what I mentioned yesterday is that I was expecting during the London session for a spike down to clear this liquidity. This is exactly what happened, but I was not expecting the DXY to go and clear directly straight away this liquidity as well. But this is what happened. We traded through, and around 10 London session time, we could see some bullish relief. So we saw some bullish relief from London into the New York session. Today we open with a gap, so between the New York session close and the Asian session open, we open with a gap. So we traded up, we cleared this liquidity, we traded lower. Are you still bearish dollar? I am very bearish dollar. I'm very bearish dollar. But I am not willing to sell. I'm only willing to sell once price hit this level, this level, this level, this level, or this level. The longer we stay here, the more I'm doubting actually that we will get all the way back up here. But at least I would like to see price to come up here and clear this liquidity. We can see here equal lows, very clear liquidity for us. So I'm expecting price to go higher. Am I expecting price to go higher straight away from here? No. What I would like to see, as we know already, we like to see price, we like to see some manipulation during the London session. So if this is now my Asian session low, what I would like to see now is the DXY clearing this liquidity, maybe trading back into this bullish order block. This is the last significant down before the move up. So maybe if I mark this candle up, and if I go to the 15-minute, it might be even more clear. Then we can see here the last bearish candles before the move up. So I am expecting now DXY to trade back into this area and to then trade higher. Okay, hope this makes sense. Once we are in these areas, I will look to sell DXY dollar again. Let's go quickly into GBPUSD. GBPUSD, this is a trade that we went in yesterday, trade that I shared in the Discord as well. I was looking, so let's delete everything. And yesterday, I was looking to sell GBPUSD. I was just not willing to buy, just because we were at such a discount prices on dollar, and we were at such a high level on GBPUSD. So I was expecting a reaction from this order block. We did not see a reaction from this order block. No, we just traded through it. We traded through this order block. So this means that we are very bullish. But again, I am not willing to buy prices when prices are here. I'm willing to buy prices when they are at discount prices. As I mentioned yesterday as well in the video, this is the area that I'm looking at. This order block here. 4 hour, the open of this order block, or the 50%. This is what I would like to target, and from this level on, I will try and buy GBPUSD up again. Yesterday when price was, and I would like to go back to the 1 minute, and we can use this a bit as education for educational purposes actually, because once I saw around 8:30, yeah, so London opened here. We could see London open, and we trade up immediately. Yeah, I always like to sell above the London open. If London open is here, I was willing to sell over here, but we never saw a break of structure. And I got people sending me messages saying, "Oh, you know, I've seen a break of structure here," and for them this was a break of structure. Okay, but look what happened here. If we look at this candle, last bearish candle before the up move, where did we trade back into? We traded back into this bearish candle here. We traded back into this bearish candle. So the last bearish candle before the up move. This bearish candle respects this bearish candle. This bearish candle is respecting this bearish candle. This bearish candle is respecting this bearish candle. So that means that the overall order flow was still very bullish. As long as we did not break this bullish order block, then we are just very bullish. So I was not willing to buy. When did I want to buy yesterday? Now was when I saw, let's go back to the 50 minutes. When I saw a real break of structure, the real break of structure for me came here. Yeah, came here. Why? Because this for me was my last significant bearish candle before a huge up move. What did we see, or what could we see, is a break. We broke this candle. We had liquidity. We broke this candle. We traded up, and we respected this last bullish candle before the down move. This bullish candle has been respected by this bullish candle. This bullish candle has been respected by this bullish candle. This bullish candle has been respected by this bullish candle. So that means that the overall order flow now is bearish. The overall order flow was now bearish. That's why I looked for sell opportunities on GBPUSD yesterday. So when I saw all the price action here and these bullish candles being respected before the down move, then I went ahead and put my limit here on this bullish candlestick. We went into the trade, so stop loss above. We could have been very aggressive, and we could have put a stop loss here, but I like to be a bit more clear, because I also did realize that we never tapped really into the 50% of this candle, so there was always the possibility that we would clear maybe this liquidity here, tap into the 50% and trade lower. Okay, that did not happen. We entered the trades, barely draw down. We traded at a 1-to-1 risk to reward quite immediately, and I am overall targeting, remember, this is the 4-hour order block. 4-hour order block over here. This is my overall target, and I still believe that we can get there. If we look now at what happened during Asia. So during Asia we have built liquidity. So what I would like to see now is if we have these two bullish candlesticks, and I will mark up the last bullish candlestick. So what I really would like to see now is during London trade a little bit higher, ideally trading back into this bearish order block, and then trading lower again. Yeah, so I'm very bearish, not very bearish, I am bearish GBPUSD. Why? Remember, because I am at the moment bullish GBPUSD. I'm respecting DXY, sorry, I'm expecting DXY to go lower, then go higher. So I'm expecting GBPUSD to go higher and then go lower. Okay. Last one quickly, EURUSD. EURUSD exactly the same. We can see here a 4-hour order block. Yeah, I would like to buy EURUSD from this order block. So am I willing to buy GBPUSD at the moment? No, because we are really high prices, right? So I would like to buy at lower prices, and I do believe that we can go lower. So if I would like to sell Euro USD, I'm just gonna wait for some sort of manipulation. If this is my high, my Asian high, I'd like to wait for some more another liquidity run, maybe into this candle, or maybe even back into these candles. So I'm just waiting for the liquidity to be run, and then we might see another leg to the downside. Yeah, overall targeting this level, this last bearish order block, this last bearish candle before the up move. We can also see here some form of imbalance. Okay. So this was my last video for this week, guys. I really hope that you are enjoying these videos. I hope that these videos are very, very helpful. I think we had a pretty decent trading week. It's just very important that we understand what dollar is willing to do, and once we know what dollar is willing to do, then we can go into GBPUSD, EURUSD, and see if it's actually lining up with what we were expecting from DXY. Okay, guys, I hope this was, as I said before, useful for you. And yeah, we see each other in the Discord. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.